Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is my passion. Today, friends, I am going to give you excellent tutorial for how to grow dahlia from the cuttings. You have to take cuttings in the month of October and you can grow in the month of October and November and you can get these kinds of flower. You can see this is around more than 10-inch diameter of the flowers here. You can see these are all the big flowers and excellent flowers. And have a look of this. These are the varieties of colors of flowers and some of the uniques, and these are some mini type of flowers. You can see these are the big flowers and a unique. Some dahlias are here and some are grown in the ground also. Take a look of this ground here. We have grown. These are the grounds also. Take a look at that video and we'll come back again. Thank you very much and keep on watching. Thank you. So friends, take a look of the video how 3 months back we have grown all the cuttings of the dahlia, and from the beginning you will go step by step. I will giving all the tutorials on how to grow dahlia and we'll come back again. Thank you very much and keep on watching. Thank you. So now friends, soil mix is now being filled totally. 10-inch pot, around 7-inch pots are filled with the soil mix and 3 inches are left at the top so that they can be filled later on when the plants grow. After 20 days we will be filling it again when the total plants will be grown, and after 20 days the plants are settled, then we will be fill it up. So keep on watching, I am telling you all. Welcome back, friends. I am applying this all the cow dung and super phosphate mix. These are the liquid fertilizer I will be applying in the dahlia, around 100 ml each, 100 ml each in plant and once in 10 days. So this is the ideal for all the dahlia, chrysanthemum, petunia. You just make it here available and just make it dry for 1 day before, so that it can absorb all your liquid. So this is all, and now I am applying here around 100 ml each, and after 10 days I will be applying only mustard cake, liquid cake fertilizer. Just see, I will giving you all the details. So friends, now I am applying on dahlia around 100 ml each this mustard cake liquid fertilizer, all in dahlia plants, and you will be amazed to see the progress and growth of these plants. After 20 days, I am taking 30% of the compost and 70% dry garden soil. I will be mixing it well, and I will be filling up the gap portion of the pots at the top position. 3 inches gaps are kept there, and I will be filling them 1.5 inch there. I will fill it up the rest portion, so that the plant stems get the direct support from the all the soil, and the plants can grow in a stronger plants can grow. So just see how my assistant is giving the soil mix there. So just keep on watching. I am giving it all. Thank you. Fertilizer mix and so just watering it. Don't water it much. Don't make it soggy. So keep on watching. I am giving you updates after 7 days. Welcome back, friends. After 10 days after applying all the cow dung manure, liquid cow dung manure here, and now today I am applying, these are the mustard cake liquid fertilizer. These are the mustard cake. 4 days ago I have brewed it. I have fermented it 4 days ago, and 500 ml I will be taking from here. 500 ml in this bucket. I am taking 500 ml, and I will be applying 5 liters of water here. 5 liters of water to make it diluted. So these are all, and now light yellow color solution. So friends, now I am adding 10 gram of DAP, 10 gram of DAP in 5 liters around. These are the 10 grams of DAP. I will be dissolving here. Let it dissolve here. I am applying, and let it dissolve for around 2 hours. After 2 hours I will be applying this. Welcome back, friends. After 2 hours and these are all DAP dissolved. 10 gram of DAP dissolved in 5 liter of solution of mustard cake liquid fertilizer, and I will be applying 100 ml in each dahlia plant. This is the dahlia plant. I will be applying 100 ml each, and after 10 days I will again apply the cow dung liquid fertilizer, and in the gap of 10 days I will be applying same mustard cake liquid fertilizer. Very diluted form liquid fertilizer, and just do it, and every 10 days, alternate 10 days, apply one time, apply cow dung liquid fertilizer, another next time apply this mustard cake liquid fertilizer mixed with DAP. So this is all the procedures of dahlia planting, dahlia growing, in the especially in the containers, and you can grow, and you can go to the visit to some flower show also. You can get some competitions in the flower show also. You can get the prizes also. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the various cuttings and growings and flowering and all plants and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.